Every day, your people interact with dozens of digital touchpoints: portals, forms, workflows, approvals. Ballooning software costs, confusing experiences, and endless customization aren't just daily frustrations, they're barriers holding back your organization's true potential. The cost? Innovation, efficiency, growth. We're Kinetic Data, and we're transforming these scattered touchpoints into seamless, powerful experiences. The Kinetic Experience Platform orchestrates your digital ecosystem into a unified symphony, streamlining systems and empowering users through experiences that simply work. Imagine a digital experience built in perfect harmony, a decoupled experience layer you completely own, powered by your unique business solutions, all enabled by the Kinetic Experience Platform, where every system connects seamlessly, every workflow drives efficiency, and every interaction drives value. This is true digital transformation in action. The Kinetic Experience Platform is more than software. It's a catalyst for change, a launchpad for your ambitions. This is the moment to transform how your organization works, connects, and achieves. Are you ready to see what's possible?